Hey guys, this is Paul from Smart and Easy DIY. Welcome to episode 18 of building my pole barn house. Today we are having drywall installed. I'm hiring somebody else to do the drywall, and the first thing of course they did is the ceilings in all the rooms, and then they went through and did all the walls. I just wanted to show you a little bit. With 10-foot ceilings we did two 4-foot sheets and then cut a sheet in half on the bottom there. I ended up having somebody else do all the hanging and somebody else do all the texturing. It's hard to find sometimes some people that will do both, and the guy that wanted to do both that I got a quote from was really high, so I ended up having to do it separated out and have somebody that I knew hang it for 25 cents a square foot, and then somebody else came in and textured it all for 55 cents a square foot. That was the best price that I could find. That may seem like a lot if you add it all up. It was about 9,200 square feet of drywall, because they figured all solid when they do it. They figured windows and doors solid, whatever sheets you buy is what they charge you for. It ended up being about $10,800 to have it all done, which does seem like a lot. It was actually a big chunk of our budget for the house, was to get the drywall done. It's very expensive to do drywall, it seems like, especially when you get to texturing and painting and all that. But anyways, these guys were really good. They did a really good job. I was very happy with their texture. It's skip trowel is the type of texture we did, if you're curious. It's really nice. It's not a very heavy texture, but yet it's heavy enough to hide stuff from little boys running around and making dents in the wall. You know, boys will be boys. So anyways, but I'm really happy with it. I like it a lot better than a smooth wall. That's just my personal preference. What I wanted to show you here, just kind of doing a walkthrough of the different rooms here and stuff. And I did get a really nice compliment from the guy that hung the drywall. Being this is a pole barn house, not even a regular framed house, he said that this is the straightest house that he has hung in 10 years. It's been 10 years since he hung a house this straight. See, he could just cut the sheets and they fit, and he didn't have to adjust it a lot and stuff like that. So that was a really nice compliment to get from him. So this is even a pole barn house, not a regular one. But what I want to show you here is my mechanical room. I'm going to do plywood, painted plywood. It's not quite finished here in this picture, but to kind of give you an idea, since I'm going to be mounting a bunch of stuff on the wall in there, I just did painted plywood in there, which made it a lot easier to finish off. And then this is another bedroom here. Going down the hallway here, closet. Then we're going to go over here to the master bedroom, just kind of show that. Then over there is the master closet, master bathroom in there, and then another bedroom over here. I'm going to be doing kind of a cost breakdown at the end of this series to kind of show you what we have into everything cost-wise. But just to kind of give you an idea, the drywall was one of the most expensive things that we had done. So just to give you an idea what's coming up in the next video, this is me all suited up and priming away. So priming and painting is happening in the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe for future videos, and thanks for watching, guys.